Good morning. This is Shweta from IMS. We are here at one of the centers of CAT 2021 examinations conducted by IIM Ahmedabad. We will be capturing students' feedback for the exam today. Let's see what they have to say. Hi, we have Manthan with us. So Manthan, would you like to introduce yourself and how was the exam today?
So my name is Manthan and I think the exam was moderate. I think the paper pattern changed from last year. Last year it was like 76 questions and this year we just had only 66 questions. So probably a surprise over there. VARC I felt quite easy. Probably my strength area, that's the reason. DILR I felt a little tough. On the QA side I think it was moderate, very much manageable.
Perfect. So Manthan, any strategy which you followed for the test?
I think VRC was always 100%, so I had to do all the questions. DLR, the idea was to do at least 50% and quant was on the go. So as soon as I get whatever the questions I can do, I can do.
So Manthan, which B school are you targeting for?
Targeting for the top IIMs.
Great. And what is your expectation in terms of personal time?
Should be over 99, let's hope for the best.
What is your suggestion for the next lot students?
Probably manage the time well I think and be ready for 66 questions. That's how that short the questionnaire is and that's how you should manage the time.
Perfect. Thank you so much Manthan. All the best for your results. So hi, we have Naman with us. So Naman, would you like to introduce yourself and which college you are from?
Hi, my name is Naman Saraf. I'm a CA. I'm currently working with KPMG.
Wow. So Naman, you took classes from somewhere or it was whole soul your preparation?
So I took classes from IMS. I'm a 2020 student. This was my second attempt.
Okay. So how was the paper pattern in comparison to the last year, Naman?
So paper pattern this year it was 24, 20, 22, which was basically 24 from Bobol, 20 from DILR and 20 from Conch. And if I compare the difficulty level, I think so it was much easier compared to CAT 20.
Wow, that's great. So Naman, any suggestion for the next two slot students?
I think so just keep a fresh mind and don't keep any expectation and go with an open mind. That's what I think.
That's great. Which V college are you targeting for?
I am probably targeting IIM ABC.
That's great. So Naman, all the best for your results. See you soon.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So this is Kashish. Kashish, would you like to introduce yourself and how was the exam today?
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Kashish Mehta. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Narsee Monjee College and I've completed my chartered accountancy recently. So talking about the exam, the number of questions in totality was quite less. I think last time it was 76 and this time they were around 66 questions in totality. Talking about the sections, the DILR and the Quant section were reasonable. The first section, that is verbal ability, it was quite difficult. So the main point is selecting the RCs carefully rather than starting off with the first one itself.
So how close the pattern was in comparison to SIMCATs?
Yeah, it was quite close to the recent SIMCAT as I spoke about the number of questions that were reduced. So it was quite in line with the recent SIMCAT that I had appeared for IMS.
So Kashish, any suggestion to the next two slot students?
That's it. Just select the RCs carefully. Just read the RCs first.
Okay. So Kashish, which B school are you targeting for?
I'm probably targeting the top 5-6 IIMs for sure.
So all the best. All the best, Kashish.
Thank you. Thank you.
So hi, we have Hilonisha with us. Hilonisha, would you like to introduce yourself and how was the exam today?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Hilonisha and I'm a student of IMS. The exam went well, better than I expected actually. I was underprepared and I just thought of it as a mock exam and I thought I would just appear, but I could attempt more questions than I imagined I would.
That's great. So which section you found difficult, easy, moderate?
Quants, of course. Quants was the most difficult one because I don't like maths too much and my English is strong and I like English. So my English went very well.
Wow. So any suggestion would you like to give to the next two slot students?
Yeah, sure. For quants, if you know the logic, then you don't need to, tense a lot and worry a lot. Because if you know the logic and you keep calm, you will actually be able to solve the paper because it isn't some rocket science or something. It's easy.
That's great. So how close the pattern was in comparison to the SIMCATs which you used to give?
Okay, so I have applied for a very less SIMCATs, but according to that, in comparison of that, the questions were very stable. Like we have seen those questions in the mock test, a few of those. In fact, some of them are repeated questions with some changes, minor changes. So that was very helpful.
Okay, great. So which B school are you targeting for?
I don't know the top schools, but not this year. I need to take off some time and maybe get some work experience.
That's great. So all the best.
Thank you so much.
So this is Pratham. Pratham, would you like to introduce yourself and which college you are from?
Saraf, Durga Devi Saraf College.
So how was the exam today?
It was okay. Not that was good.
So which section you found difficult?
Quant.
Okay. So what is the suggestion which you like to give for the next two slot students?
Next two slot students that in VRC there were 24 questions. 20 questions were in DILR and 22 questions were there in Quant.
Okay.
And in Quant, in DILR there are two sets that are solvable, but Quant was difficult in slot 1.
Okay. So this is your first attempt?
Yes, first attempt.
Great. So how close the pattern was in comparison to SimCats which you used to appear?
It was same, but Quant was little easy in SimCats, not this much difficult.
Okay. Perfect. So which B school are you targeting for?
This school I am targeting from like Willinger and NMIMS. Now on 8 December I am having my NMAT exam.
Okay. Okay. That's great. So thank you so much. All the best for your results.
Thank you.
So hi Monil, would you like to introduce yourself and how was the exam today?
Yeah, my name is Monil Shah. I'm from IMS Churchgate. So the VRC section I think was moderate, like it was doable, but the DILR section I felt was very difficult. I could attempt only one set, and because my DILR didn't go that well, so that affected my quant section, and I could attempt only 10 questions.
So what was your strategy for the exam today?
So since VRC was my strength, so I used to focus a lot on VRC and quants. DILR was always my weak point, so I thought I'll just clear the cutoff in that and maximize on the other two sections.
So how close the pattern was in comparison to SimCats?
Yeah, the pattern was quite similar because even in SimCats they had predicted about 20-24 questions. So in DILR there were 20 questions, and in VRC there were 24, and Quant there were 22. So almost similar type of questions.
So any suggestion for the next two slot students?
Yeah, I think it depends. Like DILR may not be difficult for them also. Just go in with a calm mind. Don't just get affected by other people's reviews. Just go with your strategy and follow your strategy.
That's great. And which B school are you aspiring for?
I am going for the IIMs, but let's see if I don't get it this time. I may give it again next year.
Not a problem. All the best for your results. Thank you, Monil. Hi, Ariman. How was the exam today?
Yeah, the paper was, I would say, a proper CAT paper wherein the quant section was a bit on difficult part, while DILR was moderate, and the VARC was between moderate and difficult. The parajumble specifically were a proper CAT level, while the RCs, the specific RCs, two specific RCs, were on the difficult side. And like odd man out and summary questions were, I would prefer to say, easier ones. The cons was actually on the difficult end.
Okay. So how close the pattern was in comparison to the SimCats?
The SimCat 16 was the closest one that I had given. I've given all the SimCats, so like taking the new pattern that IMS introduced after SimCat 11 or 12, the 66 question pattern has been very frequent. So that really helped me in like 66 question ka agar division aaya, so how to go about and how to like attempt a specific number of questions.
Any suggestion would you like to give to the next two slot students?
Yeah, like ये slot का जो बोल रहे हो वो लेके मत चलो, because slot of course would be different in difficulty level as well as question level. That's not specified as such, so take it as the same, but the same review लेके मत चलो कि difficulty level कैसा है. Just go there and bring it on.
Okay. And which B school are you aspiring for?
To be specific, GIM or BIM, Trichy I am aspiring for. That the range I usually score between. So those are the two B schools that I have been aiming for.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. All the best for your results.
Welcome.